माइलेज गिरेगा? माइलेज गिरता है इससे? So I have installed this Powerage exhaust, only the end can, with the company fitted catalytic converter. So I did not remove the catalytic converter. I'm not using the Decat pipe. It's kept over here. I don't want that loud sound from my motorcycle, so I just went for the end can. It looks exactly like the company's manufactured end can. Let's see how it sounds. I did not find it that much loud, so we'll remove the DB killer and see how it sounds like. Exhaust sound without the DB killer.